finally, my pre-order is here. I lost my knife, so we're gonna do this the most getaway ever. Oh, I scratched the box, of course I did. K5 Blazer. I pre-ordered this on like 2.5 months ago. I'm so happy it's finally here. Here. Comes with the instruction manual outside of it. Here, we'll go through some specs. And this is the FMS FCX24 K5 Blazer. These supposedly come very nicely packaged. Ooh. I got the brown. Looks like the O.J. Simpson Blazer. Look at the portal axles. Beware of collision to avoid appearance damage. All right. What's that? I think that's the front end, front bumper. They were supposed to come with 2 extra attachment things. Quite sure what those are. There's the controller. So it's like a baby one. So nice. Try to figure out how to open it. Once again, Jared does not know how to open it. So instead of breaking it, I'll figure it out. So it was supposed to come with 2 extra aftermarket parts. This must be them. I did see it was supposed to come with the roof rack, which is right here. The roof rack's in here. Because I might take that off and then put the roof rack on. That's so nice. It's like it has some weight to it. Alright, how do I open it? Okay, so now that I figured it out, it's actually on squeeze clips, these little clips. Looks like it has the FMS full thing and the power gas engine. These are nice. These are new. It's very easy to put on. Where is the battery part? Looks like the battery's already plugged in. I'm confused. I'm gonna have to get used to these. There's a whole different mounting system. There we go. Cool. All right, we'll get her out on the course, see what it looks like.